Okay, everybody, I did my first board. This is a very simple one. I'll show you how it works. The reason why it's so shiny is because I just cleaned it with isopropyl alcohol. And what we're going to do is we're just going to take our heat gun and we're just going to give it a dry. Make sure it all dries off correctly. I have the heat gun set to 750 degrees, which is about what you need to melt solder. And when you use the heat gun, it works really well because it forces all of those components to go perfectly in line where they need to be. It's a lot easier than using a solder gun, solder iron I mean. And all I'm really doing here is I've cleaned it now with some alcohol to get the flux off. Okay, that's good. Just going to give it one little pat dry with a Kim wipe. These are non-lint cloths. Okay, we have a power supply on the end here. You can see those two pins. I'm going to bring the camera up, I think that's close enough. And we're going to connect our leads and see how it works. So it's 3 AA batteries, so 4.5 volts. And let's connect it. Oops. There we go. We got chasing lights. I believe this will change the frequency of the flashing up and down. There you go. So we have our first SMD project built. Not bad. Could have been done a little bit neater. So you can see the balls are going over the top of the resistor. That's not what you want. Essentially, you just want a ramp. Like this one right here is perfect. Let me show you. Let me get the pointy end. Hold on a minute. There we go. So this right here is perfect. So we have a nice little slant going up to the top, almost like a ramp, like a bridge. This one we have a little too much solder. It won't affect anything. It's just overkill. But we'll learn from that when we do the next ones. Alright guys, that's our first project. In our next project, I'm going to build this Tinkersphere robotics and hobby electronics ball that I told you about. And I will take you along for the ride on that one and show you how that goes together. So I hope this give you an idea of what I'm working with, and we'll get another video up really soon with some instruction and some how-to, and I'll give you some of the tips and tricks that I've learned when doing this one. Thanks guys.